What's up, guys? Today I'd like to spread some enthusiasm in this crazy market. We're seeing a lot of negativity and pessimism, and I like to think of myself as a glass half full guy. However, just drink the water in the glass, and that's the matter of being an opportunist. So if you can figure out a way to create opportunity out of this market, whether it goes up or down, then you'll be much happier and you'll be less likely to crap your pants every time you look at the chart. So with that said, let's take a look at some technical analysis and see what we could potentially be looking for in the near future. So in terms of opportunity, what we're hoping for with Bitcoin at this point is a slight move up back to the $40,000 range. And that was our previous support, and that broke. So if we can get back up to that range and get rejected, then we're probably looking for a short in this area, probably down to the 36 range, maybe even 33. It just depends. So viewing things from an opportunistic mindset can kind of help you, make money on the way up and make money on the way down. Right now, I understand you're looking at your portfolio and it's like, oh my God, everything's red. What am I do? So this is for you new investors and new traders who aren't used to seeing, blood just straight red all the time. It's going to be okay. It's not a big deal. This happens all the time. So let's take a look at Cardano. Right now we're sitting at around 87 cents. What we're ultimately looking for over the next week is a drop down to 80 cents. That way we can get in around that area and have potentially a good 10% play back up to 87 or 88 cents. So within the next week, look for that drop down to 80 cents. Set a stop loss, obviously. This is not financial advice. I'm just saying that this is what we plan to do. We're looking to get a good 10%, hopefully within the next week off of Cardano, off a bounce play amongst other cryptos as well. So super easy, guys. Opportunity all the time. So let's take a look at XRP real quick. Right now we're sitting at around 69 cents. We're down a little bit over 3% for the day. And what we're ultimately looking for here is a drop down to 60 cents. And if we can break a support line there and drop down to about 50 cents, then that would be a great buying opportunity for us at this point. We were just at 90 cents about 2 weeks ago. So a drop from 90 to 50, or bounce off a support line around there, back up to 75 cents will be a 50% increase in an investment. It'd be pretty quick, but just picture this. In regards to opportunity, right now we have the lawsuit going on. We have Russia and Ukraine tensions. We also have Jerome Powell speaking next week. So let's just say that we have a scenario where we win the lawsuit, which is bound to happen, and then the Russia and Ukraine tensions kind of lighten up just a little bit for the market to come back up slightly, and then we also have Jerome Powell, where that kind of shifts. So let's say we just have a trifecta of where the market just gives us a little bit of a break. That could potentially give us the opportunity for that 50% bounce off to like 70 to 75 cents. So keep that in mind. Look for XRP to hit around that 60 to 50 cent range, because it could potentially be a small opportunity for a 10 to 25% day trade or swing trade. So obviously there's a lot of fear in the markets right now. We're sitting at 26 on the fear and greed index. We're sitting at 25 on the crypto fear and greed index. We've got CNBC, CNN, a bunch of social media platforms, all the newscasters just talking about Russia and Ukraine, COVID, inflation, consumer price indexes rising. The whole point of this video, like I said, guys, is to view this as an opportunity. If you see 25, 26 on the fear and greed index, that's probably a good chance for you to use the dry powder or cash that you have to buy whatever dips you can based on technical analysis, fundamental analysis, whatever you guys would like to do. But I don't recommend selling in a market like this, especially when things are definitely likely to start going back up within the next 6 months. So if you're a new trader or investor and you're staring at your phone and looking at your computer every minute of every day, we've all been there, shitting our pants because the market's in turmoil and there's fear mongering all over the place, all over social media platforms. It can be scary. So this is why it's important to have a strategy and just view this as an opportunity. Use whatever dry powder you have, make smart decisions, and try to stay emotionally stable even though your portfolio is decreasing in value, because it's not going to go to zero. So with that said, guys, this was a quick video. I just wanted to share a little bit of analysis with you guys on what we plan on doing, and we'll see you guys in a few days. Thank you. Have a nice day.